In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put in WPS Office on Android. If you want a reliable app for creating, editing, and viewing documents directly on your phone, WPS Office is a great option. It allows you to work on files anytime and anywhere, making it especially useful for students, professionals, and anyone who needs quick access to documents while on the go. To begin, unlock your Android device and make sure you are connected to the internet. From your home screen or app drawer, open the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android devices and the safest place to download applications. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type WPS in the search field and wait for the results to appear. When you see WPS Office in the list, tap on it to open the app's download page. Take a moment to check that you are selecting the correct app to avoid installing the wrong one. On the app page, tap the Install button. The download will start immediately and the installation process will run automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and device performance. During this time, keep the Play Store open until the installation is complete. After the app finishes installing, you will see an option to open it. Tap Open to launch WPS Office on your Android device. When the app opens for the first time, you will be guided to the Sign In screen. Signing in allows you to access more features and sync your documents across devices. You can sign in using your Google account or your Facebook account for a faster setup. If you prefer, you can also sign in manually by entering your email and password. Choose the option that is most convenient for you and complete the sign-in process by following the on-screen instructions. Once you are signed in, WPS Office will open to its main interface. From here, you can start creating new documents, opening existing files, or exploring the available tools. The app is now ready to use on your Android device, and you can begin managing your documents right away. Installing WPS Office on Android is a simple process, but it gives you access to powerful tools for handling documents wherever you are. After setup, you can customize the app and explore its features based on your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.